Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore the fascinating world of fuzzy matching in data analysis. We'll talk about what fuzzy matching is, why it's tricky, how to make it easier, and introduce a helpful tool. First, what is fuzzy matching? Fuzzy matching is a technique used in data analysis to find things that are similar but not exactly the same in a bunch of data. Imagine you have a list of names or addresses, but they're not all written the same way. Fuzzy matching helps us find similar names, even if there are mistakes or differences in how they're written. So, why is fuzzy matching hard? Well, one reason is that it can be very slow, especially when you have a lot of data. It's like comparing every item in a huge list with every other item, which takes a lot of time and computer power. Another challenge is deciding when two things are actually the same. That's where distance measurements come in. They help us figure out if two words or phrases are similar. Some common ones are Jero-Winkler and Levenshtein distance. Now, there are ways to make fuzzy matching easier. One of them is called blocking. Blocking means dividing your data into smaller groups based on something they have in common. This way, you only need to compare things in the same group, which is much faster. For example, if you're matching names, you could group them by the first letter of the name. Then you only compare names that start with the same letter. Another helpful technique is using an inverted index. An inverted index is like a tool that makes finding things in your data faster. It's especially useful when you have a lot of data. It can also give you a score that tells you how similar two things are, so you don't have to look at all the matches, just the most similar ones. And don't forget to clean up your data by getting rid of unnecessary words and making words simpler. This makes fuzzy matching work better. Now, when it comes to tools that make fuzzy matching easier, let me tell you about the Excel Fuzzy Match add-on. This tool works with Excel and helps you do fuzzy matching right in your spreadsheets. With it, you can quickly find similar records, adjust how picky you want to be, and see your matches visually. So, whether you're dealing with customer data, product information, or any data with mistakes, the Excel Fuzzy Match add-on can be a big help. But remember, there are other tools too. Some are specialized for certain types of data. For example, Matchcraft is great for matching company names. It's better at this than the Excel add-on. Matchcraft also has features made just for company names. Lastly, let's talk about how we measure if fuzzy matching is working well. We use two things, precision and recall. Precision is about how accurate the results are. If a fuzzy matching tool says two things are the same, it should be right most of the time. If it's right more than 85% of the time, it's considered good. Humans make mistakes too, and they're right about 90% of the time. On the other hand, we have recall. This is about how many correct matches you find. You can have a tool with 99% precision, but if it only finds a few matches, it's not very useful. We want both precision and recall to be high. Balancing them is important. For example, it's better to have 85% precision and find 90% of the matches than to have 99% precision and only find 5% of them. Humans can double-check the results, and it's more productive. In Matchcraft, there are different algorithms for different needs. So, if you want more precision or more matches, you can choose the right algorithm. That's it for our exploration of fuzzy matching in data analysis. Just remember, with the right techniques and tools like the Excel Fuzzy Match add-on and Matchcraft, you can make working with messy data a lot easier and find valuable information.